And we are back. Mr. CC here once again. And I am interviewing one of the sharpshooters of the whole Philippines. We can say that he is the sino ba yan? Duncan Robinson, Kyle Corver, Paulo Dailisan ng current batch ngayon sa Team Pilipinas. The one and only Matt Cayetano. Give it up for Matt, guys. Palakpakan na to. Palakpakan. Okay, Matt, before we start, do you have any shout-outs before we,
Shoutout sa family ko and sa friends ko sa Ateneo.
Alright, Matt, I've seen you grow when you play basketball. Back when, siguro feeling ko mas matangkad pa ako sa'yo noon or kahit lang tayo. Up until, anong current height mo ngayon?
6 flat.
6 flat. And currently, your role is very crucial here in Team Pilipinas because iba talaga when it comes to momentum changer yung mga 3 points mo. Anong feeling yung game nyo against Indonesia ba yun when you scored back-to-back 3 points and to the point where ikaw na nonchalant player na nakaselebrate ka talaga, nakasigaw ka talaga doon. Anong feeling? What was in your mind at that time?
Overwhelming masyado. Yung after na shoot yung first shot ko, parang every time na matouch ko yung ball, kaya parang i-shoot ko na lang talaga kay parang sure talaga ako na ma-shoot kasi ngayon yung yung momentum starter ko once maka-shoot ako, parang kada tapon ko ng bola feel ko ma-shoot na talaga siya. So yun.
Did you always mirror your play style as somebody who is a sharp shooter? Kasi tayo before siguro back when kay laro-laro lang tayo, we always go hard to the ring. Siguro is this a Steph Curry effect why ang laro mo ngayon kay more on 3&D?
Oo, since bata ako, I never liked driving. Yun talaga ako. Tira lang ng tira sa labas kada makahawak ng bola, tira agad.
And currently, did you really envision yourself as somebody that you will be in that grand stage wherein you will be representing Team Pilipinas? From galing pa nung bata ka pa, parang meron na ba yun sa mind mo na I will become successful someday in this basketball world?
Hindi, kasi hindi talaga ako nag-expect na given kami ng opportunity na mag-represent ng Philippines. Hindi nga ako nag-expect na may chance kami mag-represent ng Davao region sa palarong pambansa. Pero through grit and grind namin, yun, nakuha namin ang chance to represent. And yeah.
Alright, so take us to the moment, Matt, where I think na all eyes were on you when you were playing against Clara Aboys. And then you were victorious against Western Visayan. What was that feeling, and is it similar to the feeling when you won against Malaysia?
Yes, masyado super overwhelming na feeling. Tapos I think na top pa ng feeling na nalo kami sa ASEAN sa palaro, pero both championships parang really means a lot sa amin.
I-describe ang kakulba, Matt. Kabulo ko, both, marag natay mga moments dra na medyo deja vu siya. Katong na-travel si Chog, similar dito sa palaro, na-travel si Mundas ug si Maki, nakamiss og free throw si Raisus. Did you have that feeling na hala, kulba na ni what was going on in your mind at that time?
After nun yung travel si Chog, parang liit na lang lead yun. Tapos yun parang ako nun na parang in disbelief ako ba kasi parang double digits manata lead namin. Parang kontrolado namin masyado ang game up until the fourth quarter na they started hitting na 3-point shots. Yun, parang disbelief ako na close fight pa yun.
Alright. Yesterday, the other day, we've interviewed Coach Jess. We also asked him the same question wherein, Coach, katong natabla na, katong crucial na kayo, what was your feeling at the time? Grabe ang confidence ni Coach Jess, ana siya na. Without a doubt, wala jud na inisulod sa akong utok na mapildi miya to. even though despite sa imong pagka-disbelief, did you have the same mindset na kanang dili daog jud dapat ani, something like that?
Oo, kay kabalo mo ko, salig ko sa akong mga kauban na daog to nila. Labi na si Risus control kanya ang game sa overtime period. Maski na wala sa amo si Chog, wala gid ko nagduda na pildi mi ato na
So, you recently answered a Coach Jess interview sa iyang content. Ana siya na, what is your dream school? Which is ADMO, right? Sinabi mo yon. If given the opportunity to play in Manila, what do you think your ceiling is? Will you, marag gusto ba nimo may mong PBA? Like, you have the opportunity to play overseas. Anong pinaka tingin mo at this moment, ceiling mo? Overseas ba? PBA ba? PBL, PSL, or any other, ano bang feeling mo, ceiling mo sa iyong basketball career?
Actually, di ko alam ano lang yung ang nasa isip ko ngayon is ano lang talaga hard work, and wherever Lord will take me, doon lang ako, basta gawin ko lang yung part ko, magtrabaho at
That's a great mindset wherein one step at a time mo na, no? Hindi masyado yung parang far out sa future yung iniisip mo. Pero right now, Matt, what is the end goal before you end the school year? Is this another back-to-back palaro win?
Yes, sa start pa lang ng namin training camp namin, a few months after nanalo kami ng palaro, nag-start na kami rebuild sa team namin para makuha namin yung ultimate goal namin na ma-back-to-back sa palarong pambansa.
Alright, so meron akong gusto rin makita sa yung Matt. And this is might be also a challenge na marag si Coach Jess Ragyapon ko na nag-challenge siya mo. Pero I always see you as somebody who would catch and shoot sa mga as little you are in the three-pointer. Pero I have never seen you na kanang with handles, kanang dribble, off a dribble ng mga 3 points, or siguro yung pinadangkan Robinson na kanang maglabas ng screen. I think nagawa mo yan, pero maragdili ka na imong go-to. Pinaka-go-to jud mo is off a catch. So, do we expect a new and improved Matt Cayetano before we end the school year?
Yes, for sure, kasi para din yan, extra ammunition sa ko. Kailan ko ng other moves, kay hindi pwede same lang palagi. So, mag-work ako niyan sa para magamit ko sa palaro.
Alright, so before we end, Matt, batiin mo pa sino pang gusto mo i-shoutouts before we end?
Again, shoutout sa family ko and sa mga nagsusupport sa amin. Sana hindi kayo mag-support sa amin, at thank you guys.
Okay, last question. Ngayon lang nag-pop sa mind ko. What does it mean to be doing this all together with your brothers, Char?
Means a lot, kasi kahit medyo matagal na din kami nagsabay, at wala, it's parang
Emotional si Matt ba?
wala ansa lang, karang lipay lang ko na we have one more year together with my OG teammates na sa Ilocos na palaro.
Alright, thank you, Matt. This is King of the Fort. We next.